Unlocking the Secrets of High-Performing Teams, a guide for African leaders. Hello, leaders and managers. Today we're diving into what makes some teams consistently outperform others. Is it about hiring the best talent, investing in team building activities, or is there a deeper secret to team success? The truth is, high performance isn't about having the smartest people in the room, it's about how the team works together. In this video, we'll break down the myths, explore what truly drives success, and share actionable strategies for African managers and leaders looking to build outstanding teams. Before we dive in, if you're passionate about leadership and want more content like this, be sure to like this video. It helps us reach more managers and leaders like you who are striving for excellence. The talent myth. Why star players alone won't build a great team. Many managers believe that if they hire the most talented people, success will follow automatically. This is a dangerous misconception. Studies have shown that when a high-performing employee moves from one company to another, their performance often declines. Why? Because success is more about the team environment than individual brilliance. Real-life example, the star player who struggled. A well-known African tech startup once hired a top software engineer from a global firm, expecting him to revolutionize their development team. However, the engineer struggled to adapt, and the team's performance actually declined. The issue wasn't his skills, it was that the company lacked a collaborative culture, clear goals, and a strong support system to help him integrate. High-performing teams aren't just about having the best individuals, they're about creating a system where each person can thrive. The team building fallacy, more than just fun and games. Another common misconception is that team building activities like retreats, games, and bonding exercises are the secret to team success. While these activities can help boost morale, they don't necessarily translate to better collaboration, productivity, or long-term success. Personal story, a failed team retreat. Years ago, I led a team where morale was low and communication was breaking down. Thinking a weekend retreat would solve everything, we organized team building exercises in a beautiful resort. It was fun, but when Monday came, nothing changed. The underlying issues of trust, clarity, and accountability were still there. Team building activities must be paired with deeper changes in how a team works together, or they become nothing more than short-term distractions, the real drivers of high performance. So, if hiring star talent and team building games aren't the answer, what is? 1. Psychological safety. The foundation of great teams. Harvard research shows that the best teams share one common trait: psychological safety. This means team members feel safe to speak up, share ideas, and take risks without fear of punishment or ridicule. Anecdote, the fear of speaking up. I once worked with a company where junior employees never spoke in meetings. They had brilliant ideas but feared being criticized. To change this, the leadership team introduced anonymous idea submissions and encouraged open feedback. Within months, innovation skyrocketed because people felt safe to contribute. If your team isn't speaking up, it's not because they don't have ideas, it's because they don't feel safe enough to share them. 2. Clear goals, giving your team a target. A great team needs a clear sense of direction. Without well-defined goals, even the most talented individuals will waste time and energy on the wrong priorities. Example, how clarity led to breakthroughs. A logistics company struggling with delays restructured its goal-setting approach. Instead of vague objectives like improve efficiency, they set specific targets like reduce delivery time by 20% in 6 months. With a clear target, every department aligned their efforts, and the company saw rapid improvements. Without clarity, teams drift. With clear goals, they thrive. 3. Accountability. Building a culture of ownership. High-performing teams don't just have individual responsibility, they hold each other accountable. When team members own their roles and understand that everyone's success depends on each other, performance soars. Personal story, transforming a failing project. A project I once led was falling behind schedule. Instead of blaming individuals, we adopted a system where each team member gave weekly updates on their progress and challenges. This transparency built trust, increased accountability, and improved teamwork. And we not only met our deadline but delivered beyond expectations. Practical steps to build a high-performing team. Now that we've covered what truly drives success, here are actionable steps you can implement today. Encourage open communication. Make team discussions safe and judgment-free. If you found this discussion insightful, please like this video. It helps us bring more valuable leadership insights to you. Let's grow together and build stronger teams across Africa and beyond.